Howdy folks, welcome back to Paolo Strada. So my friend Val has entered the Fixed Beers Crit at Herne Hill this weekend, and despite writing off his track bike in the last couple of days, the absolute maniac still wants to race. So I'm going to head off to the station in a minute, get down to London, and then ride over to the workshop where the guys are going to build up a brand new track bike for Val to ride tomorrow. So let's go.
Is that the one you wrote off? Oh, fuck. How did you do that?
When I landed, I was like, because while I was flying, I have this really clear memory. While I was flying, I was like, fuck, I fucked my bike and I have to race on it.
Was it just the frame that was damaged though?
Well, the tire, the inner tube exploded and the tire was like this, so it's... weirdly, the fork is, I will never use it again.
Yeah, is the fork carbon?
Yeah, the fork is carbon. And the wheel is not 100%, but it's like not too bad to have just, because basically I had the impact, literally just the front end.
Right, let's stop this one in the other stand and strip this one and...
You're building it up with the same bits then?
Same bits.
Good morning, I just got up and the weather is actually looking surprisingly good today, so we're going to head over to Herne Hill later on with Val, take the brand new bike that the guys built up last night and support Val and see some cool racing hopefully. Herne Hill is quite a while away though, and I'm riding the cargo bike over there, which I've been told is going to be a good workout, so looking forward to trying that out and showing you guys what London is like to cycle in. It isn't very nice. So I just got back, and something that became really clear to me when I was riding in London this weekend was that skinny road bike tyres just are no fun for urban riding, particularly when it's wet and you're on really badly potholed and rutted roads. Riding on really fat mountain bike tyres on the road is actually really fun. So what I'm going to do is put some big fat cyclocross tyres on the Pinnacle, and I think it'll be a lot more fun to ride in poor conditions, but also generally, really. So I'm going to do a super cliched spin around reveal shot now to show you what it looks like, and I'll probably do a video on what it's like to ride in the next couple of weeks. So thanks for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.